this is how my vacation has just come to an end. Being for 1 week in this village is just like a day, because time flew like no man's business. I enjoyed each and every moment. At the moment, the sister, the mother and the brother, they are taking me to the train station where I'll need to board a train and go back to Moscow. Just look at the sun shine, the way it is rising, the beauty. And without forgetting, I would like to say thank you to each and every one of you for always watching my videos. Thank you very much for always subscribing, because your support means a lot. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you very much. If you want to have more access to how I lead my day-to-day life, you can follow me on all my social media handles in the description of the video. To my friend Marat, Gambo, and the family, the father, the brother, the sister, and all people who came to welcome me, I would like to pass a vote of thanks. Thank you very much for inviting me. Thank you very much for welcoming me to this interesting place called Permsky Krai here in Moscow. And we are already at the train station here waiting for the train. This is how my Trans-Siberian journey has just come to an end. But definitely I will come back in summer to see how this place looks. Now we got to run after the train, because these trains, they are divided into different wagons. There is wagon 1, there is wagon 2. So I'm getting on wagon 3, and the mother of Marat is the one making sure that I don't miss that train. Otherwise, I really appreciate for the love, for the care and everything that you shown me when I came to your place. Thank you to you, Marat, the father, the sister, the brother, Ngambo, and other people who came to check me when I came to this place. And this is the one who is inspecting, making sure that everything is in order. Let's get in. Found my seat. What's up? Good morning. Where I am, it is morning here in Permsky Krai called Chad. I continue my Trans-Siberian journey. I was in my friend's place in the village for almost 1 week. It was one of the most outstanding, interesting
case of an outbreak of fire. Then you can cross to another way. Here there is only one toilet. Yes, but most of them that I've been using, they have got two. Oh, alarm! I see. Everything is here. Where you need to wash your hands. Sanitizer. I don't know if it is a sanitizer or whatever. Toilet paper. Yes. And the mirror. This is why I love traveling by train, because I tend to see or to appreciate the beauty of everything in this place. And of course, so here you can even buy water, you can even buy chocolate, and you need to pay by card. So I'm waiting. This is everything, just simple life. And whenever I'm on the train, I don't like to eat a lot. Yeah, it is quite dangerous. I don't like using public toilets. I want to use them whenever I want to pee. That's why I don't eat too much. Prices here are even displayed. The logos and the timetable. How it moves, because I'm going almost home. By the way, I've just noticed that from the time I started traveling by train, this is when I'm having a journey that is starting off in the morning or during the day, such that you can even see what is outside. Mostly it starts either in the evening or at night. Yeah, it is quite interesting to gallivant around Russia using the Siberian railway, and you can even see the small village at the far there. You can see, and it's just snow everywhere. This is my first time of traveling around Russia in winter. The last time I did this, it was I think 3 or 4 years ago when I traveled in summer. But this time around I decided to do it in winter because I always love to do new things. If you're watching from Europe, if you're watching from Asia, if you're watching from Australia, North America, South America, Antarctica, this is the life that I've been wanting always, to travel around Russia. And if you want to see more good content just like this video, just subscribe, because it will help the algorithm of this channel to improve. In the end, I'll be able to bring good content to you. Just look at the far end there. You find that there are small villages in between of maybe more than 500, maybe more than 100 people. Just look at this small village. Most of the houses in the villages are made out of wood, or from wood, you can even see, and others are made out of, iron. I don't know if it is iron sheets. Yeah, iron sheets, that's the right word that I can use. And you can even just fall in love with this place if you tend to travel like this, because you see everything with your own eyes rather than traveling by plane. It is quite expensive, and you tend, in the end, you see nothing. You just sit. The next thing is you've touched down at the airport. But this way, it is one of the ways of exploring different countries. If I happen to visit another country, I would also like to travel by train. Leave a comment. Which mode of transport do you usually use if you are traveling? Is it plane? Is it bus? Is it train? Is it whatever, or water transport? I don't know. How I wish I can film all this journey. So it is going to take about you can even see that's a station there, people waiting. This journey, it will always live in my heart because you know my friend invited me and I enjoyed each and every moment that I spent in the village. And if you are new on this channel, just go back to my previous videos. You're going to enjoy how I spent my winter or my vacation in the village. So we've reached another station and other people are just, you know, disembarking. Siberian railway for almost a day because this journey is taking about 22 hours 9 minutes if I'm not mistaken. So if you ever tried such kind of an interesting journey before, leave a comment. And just look, it's white everywhere. I think I will do very much in summer so that you can notice the difference, so that you can see how different it looks. Kazan, here we come, but I'm not making a stopover in Kazan. I'm just connecting direct. This is the food that we usually eat on the train. after having a stoppage of 19 minutes here in Kazan, our Trans-Siberian journey has continued, and as you can even see, the skies, it is becoming a little bit dark because the time is 16:37, and here mostly in winter we rarely see the sun, and that is what is happening, and I hope you can see me. So if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning viewer, I always appreciate that you watch my videos because your support means a lot. I think after this I'm going to sleep and we're going to see each other the next day. Check to show the time and the train where we are and the room temperature. So, and this is my bed where I'm sleeping, my bag, the pillow, and other things. There 0410, the temperature plus 23 inside, and this is when I'm waking up. I don't know if you can see me or you can't see me. Yeah, finally we are almost reaching Moscow. There is only 1 hour remaining, and I've switched on the lights. I think you can see from afar, and I hope you can see someone's long legs from here. Yes, this is quite an interesting journey of 24 hours on the Trans-Siberian Railway from Chad to Moscow. I hope this journey was quite interesting for you. You've learned that it is possible to travel within Russia, and if you want to economize money, it's better use a train, which is much better. And those ladies there, they're having their breakfast in the morning, and my stomach is almost singing because I did not eat. This is how my Trans-Siberian journey across Russia, across Russia has come to an end. Here in winter, the next time probably I'll try to do this again. It's going to be in summer. Yes. Also, Daniel. Guys, thank you very much for having been with me after traveling on the Trans-Siberian Railway from Moscow to Chad Permsky Oblast. I really appreciate, and I would like to thank God for the opportunity of traveling and for the traveling message that I am back safely. Otherwise, without him, I'm completely nothing. So this is it, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will really appreciate. Bye.